In this lab, we will create an AWS Lambda function and also create an Amazon event bridge event to trigger the function every minute. The function uses an AWS identity and access management, that is IAM role. This IAM role allow the function to stop an Amazon EC2 instance that is running on Amazon Web Service account. In this lab, some resources are restricted, that in which we encounter an error if we are trying to access which is beyond the requirement of this lab actually. Okay, first of all, click on start lab. When you click on start lab, one pop-up window will be open. On that pop-up window, lab status is in creation. When the in creation becomes ready, then you close that pop-up window and click on AWS in this tab. Then a new tab will be open. Now we will create AWS Lambda. This is the search box. In this search box we will write Lambda. Look, Lambda. Click on Lambda. We will create Lambda function. Click on create function and author from scratch. Name of the Lambda function should be directly copied from here. My stuff initiator. Okay, paste here and runtime will be Python 3.8. Yes, 3.8. Now architecture is x64. No, don't need to change anything. Now execution role should be use an existing role and it should be my stop initiator role. Okay, now create this function. We need to add trigger. Okay, now select this and right here event bridge and select this. Wait some time. Yes, here click on create a new rule. Okay, and rule name every minute, directly copy from here. Every minute. Okay, rule description we don't need to write anything because it is optional. And schedule expression no change, rate should be 1 minute. Okay, now paste here. Okay, now we need to add this. Now come to and click on node. Now this is the lambda function.py. We will change this lambda function. Now we will change this code and the code will be copied from here. Okay, copy this code, paste here. Now replace with region. That this is North Virginia, and for North Virginia the region should be, look, US. North Virginia, it would be US East 1. Okay, copy it with semicolon, copy it from here and paste here. Okay, now replace with instance ID. We will copy ID from here, search here EC2. An instance will be running. Open this in new tab. Okay, instance 1, name of an instance which will be instance 1 should be running here. Look, instance running. Okay, click on instance running. Wait, the instance is loading. Look, instance 1, it is running. Click on this and copy instance ID. Now ID is copied. Now place the ID here. Okay, as we place ID here, now we need to save from here, save. Now we will deploy this code. Deploy this code. Now we will see that our EC2 that should we stop now. We need to refresh it. The function is running still. Now look, only one instance is running now. Now go to instance. Look, this instance is stopped. Now try to again start this instance. Okay, start instance from here and wait some time. For that time I am pausing this video. When this instance will be started, after some 1 minute it will again stop by the code which we write in the lambda function. Okay, now wait for some time. This is the code. Look, the instance is still not started. Not started. It will take some time to start. Wait some time. Look, successfully started. This instance 1 is successfully started, but due to our code it is again stopping the instance. Okay, now try to again same code. Okay, stop now. This way lab is completed actually, and after completing the lab you should click on end lab, which will delete all the thing which we update or resources which we used till now, and it is good practice if you terminate all the resources which you used for your lab. Okay, thank you. Try to stop another instance. I'm just trying only, and only you need to copy the Boston instance ID and paste here. Okay, now I paste here, and you need to first save it, then deploy, again go to instance, now click on instance. Boston instance is running now. Instance, now try to start this instance, another instance. Now look here, it is in pending state. After some time the state will be start. Running, instance 1 is running, and this instance is now stopped. Boston state host, as we change the instance ID through that code, the Boston instance is stopped, but instance 1 is running now. Okay, this way our lab is finished. Thank you.